Class 10th, we will see the first chapter in this video, that is the First World War. So, before this class, you had already understood about industrialization and development of democracy. So, what was industrialization? Means use of new technology, use of new techniques in place of old one. So, what is here new technology is considered as a use of new weapons. And the development of democracy, that means we see that earlier in ancient time, the government rule, there was no government rule, and there is only monarchy rule, feudal lords. They used to control the peoples, control the country, so there was no democracy. But after that, people start giving importance to democracy, and that is why a lot of countries established democracy in their country. So these two factors, that is industrialization and democracy, both all were enjoying in Europe in 19th century. But what happened that when 20th century come, on that time this industrialization took took a horrific war, right? So we will see how. So we know that in ancient time people used to do warfare with the help of arrows, swords, spears. These all are the type of weapons, and that is of conventional type of warfare. That means the two troops stand in front of each other and do warfare. But later, during the Mughal times, new type of technology start using, like use of tanks, firstly used by in the Battle of Panipat by Babur, and inventions of guns, cannons, and gunpowder. China invented gunpowder, and after that, countries start making new weapons, and that is why this is one of the reasons of the cause of First World War. So the cannons is such that you can use it away from the 20 kilometer and can attack. Automatic machine guns, submarine, मतलब छुप के अटैक करती है पानी में. Troops transport by vehicles. So all these technology is actually a clause of First World War. So you will hear, we will see that there are some facts for the First World War. There is possibility that MCQs can come from this point, that the countries which were involved in the First World War were actually Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Turkey is on one side, and the other side was Britain, France, and Russia. And later, on 1917, United States of America also joined the war. So this First World War actually took place for the 4 years, that is from 1914 to 1918. And we will also see that how many people affected in the war. So you will see the table in the book. You can see the table. That is one side, the country's name is given who were participated in the First World War and their losses in the war. So why do we call it a First World War? So it is very simple that it is called as First World War because many countries involved in this वॉर, राइट. सो मैनी कंट्रीज़ में देखो, जैसे कि स्विट्ज़रलैंड हो गया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया हो गया, तो ये कुछ ऐसी कंट्रीज़ थी जो न्यूट्रल थी. मतलब ना तो इन्होंने फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में पार्टिसिपेट किया और ना इन लोगों ने सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में पार्टिसिपेट किया. सो सम कंट्रीज़ were not participated like Switzerland, Australia, but the countries like America joined the 1917 and जो यूरोप था वो तो ऑलरेडी वॉर में पूरी तरह इन्वॉल्व था. और जो अफ्रीका और एशिया की जो कंट्रीज़ थी वो एक्चुअली यूरोप की कंट्रीज़ की क्या थी, कॉलोनीज़ थी. मतलब जैसे कि इंडिया जो है वो ब्रिटिश की कॉलोनी थी, तो ब्रिटिशर्स ने क्या किया था, इंडिया को इनडायरेक्टली वॉर में इन्वॉल्व किया था. जैसे कि इंडिया ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था वॉर में फ्रॉम British side, and so that is why in such a way there were a lot of almost the entire earth involved in the First World War instead of few countries neutral, stay as a neutral. So you can see the map. This is very very important. It is a map of Europe. You see here the Germany, that is here. You see Austria Hungary here, and Serbia, which is the neighboring country of the Austria Hungary. So what was the cause of First World War? This is very very important. So first of all, जो ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी है, it wanted to invade Serbia and it wanted to control over Serbia. It want to make Serbia in its control, but Serbia want to stay independent, right? So but what had happened, one minor incident caused the First World War. So what had happened, we will see here that one highly patriotic Serbian citizen, right, एक मतलब सर्बियन के सिटीज़न ने प्रिंस आर्च ड्यूक जो कि ऑस्ट्रिया का था एंड उसकी वाइफ उसको सराजेवो में जून 1914 में मार दिया, असैसिनेट कर दिया. सो वन हाईली पेट्रोटिक सर्बियन सिटीजन assassinated the Archduke of Austria and his wife at the place called Sarajevo in June 1914. So because of that, this made the Austria people angry, and they attack on Serbia. And रशिया जो था वो सर्बिया को सपोर्ट करता था, तो रशिया सर्बिया के साइड था, एंड जर्मनी जो है वो ऑस्ट्रिया को सपोर्ट कर रहा था. तो जर्मनी और रशिया, दैट इज़ वाई इन्वॉल्व in the First World War. And then after that, there was rivalry between Germany and France. So because of that, France also involved in the war, and Britain also want to take revenge from the Germany navy, right? So that is why Britain also want to involve in the First World War. So that is the reason why the First World War took place, and how these countries start involving in the First World War means they want to support each other, and by seeing each other, they that if one will attack by any one, then the other will join, and then again other, and the again other. This was the way of the First World War. So now we will see here one more reason. There was not only one reason of फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. मतलब फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर होने का जो कारण है वो एक नहीं था, बहुत सारे थे. तो उसमें एक था इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. सो व्हाट इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन रिक्वायर मिनरल रिसोर्सेज, लार्ज मार्केट्स एंड कॉलोनीज. तो क्या होता था कि कंट्रीज़ के बीच आपस में कंपटीशन था कॉलोनीज़ बनाने का. तो कोई किसी से आगे ना निकल जाए, कोई मतलब उस टाइम पे ऐसा हो रहा था कि जो कंट्रीज़ थी जो रिच थी मिनरल्स पे, तो वो क्या है, मतलब यूरोप उस पर क्या, यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ क्या चाहती थी, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंट्रीज़ में कंट्रोल चाहती थी, सो दैट उनका इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन सक्सेसफुल हो पाए. लेकिन जैसा कि यू कैन सी हियर दैट द ओल्डर इंडस्ट्रियल कंट्रीज ब्रिटेन हैड ऑलरेडी established their कंट्रोल, बट देयर वर फ्यू कंट्रीज हु आर ट्राइंग टू कंट्रोल, लाइक जर्मनी ने अटैक किया था फ्रांस में इन 1871 एंड कैप्चर किया था एक मिनरल रिच, बहुत ज़्यादा मिनरल रिच था, दैट इज़ अल्साक लॉरेन. तो you can see that how Germany is on the way for the colonies, for invading the countries. So in that days ब्रिटेन की जो इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ थी वो एक्चुअली उसमें लार्ज रोल प्ले करता था, क्या, उसकी नेवल पावर. तो लेकिन इसीलिए जर्मनी ने क्या किया, जर्मनी जो है वो जानता था कि अगर ब्रिटेन की मैरीटाइम डोमिनेंस को चैलेंज करना है तो इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, ट्रेड एक्सपैंड करना पड़ेगा, और इसके लिए उसे भी उसकी नेवी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा. तो ही नीड एक्सेस टू द अटलांटिक ओशियन, Mediterranean Sea and the Indian Ocean to ensure free passage for its ship across the world. So that is why Germany also want to make its naval fleet strong so that it can challenge Britain, right? So in this way you can see that how Germany is trying to making strong its naval power. Now the next reason for the cause of First World War is the complex international treaties. So what is here? So actually tension was built up between the European countries. Why? Because country was not comfortable and felt always uneasy because of the countries acquiring new colonies, and that is why to make themselves strong they start signing a secret treaty with another country, so that if one country will attack by the another, then the other will come and join and help the country. So here, so but they did it secretly, right? It is not openly. So you can see here is two, that is triple alliance and triple entente. So what does the meaning of triple alliance? This treaty was between Germany, Austria Hungary and Italy. मतलब ये जो treaty थी वो Germany, Austria Hungary और Italy के बीच में थी, जो कि 1882 में फोर्स में आई थी. और इसका मेन एम ये था कि इफ एनी कंट्री, इफ फ्रांस और रशिया विल अटैक एनी ऑफ द कंट्री, जर्मनी, ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी और इटली, इफ एनी of the countries, France and Russia, attack, then the other, then they will help each other. So this is the triple alliance. And what is the triple entente? Triple entente is between France and Russia, right? But after that, Britain also joined. So why they did so? They did because of Germany, because Germany दिन पे दिन स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जा रहा था, अपनी कॉलोनीज़ बढ़ा रहा था, अपनी नेवल पावर को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहा था. तो इसीलिए जो फ्रांस और रशिया थे, दे वर वेरी वेरी अनईजी बिकॉज ऑफ जर्मनी ग्रोइंग might and belligerence, and that is why they signed the triple entente. So these three countries entered into an agreement in 1907. Okay, so if any of the country, any other country will attack these countries, then they will support each other. Now you can see that Germany also signed an agreement with Ottoman Empire, in which Turkey promised to come to aid if Russia will attack either Germany or Austria. मतलब अगर रशिया या फिर रशिया जो है वो अगर जर्मनी और ऑस्ट्रिया को अटैक करता है तो टर्की हेल्प करेगा. ये भी ऑटोमन एम्पायर और जर्मनी के बीच ऐसा एग्रीमेंट साइन हुआ. और रशिया जो है वो सर्बिया के साथ मतलब उन्होंने क्या किया, एग्रीमेंट किया. सो यू कैन सी दैट हाउ टेंशन कैप्ट बिल्डिंग बिटवीन दिस अलायंस. दे वर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद ईच अदर. दे आर हैविंग फियर कि कोई आगे ना बढ़ जाए या कोई अपनी कॉलोनी ना बना ले या कोई हम पे अटैक ना कर ले. तो ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा कर चल रहा था यूरोपियन नेशंस के बीच में. तो यू कैन सी दिस कार्टून व्हाट इज़ शोइंग हियर. सो इट इज़ एक्चुअली शोइंग दैट इफ़ यू विल टच मी आई विल जॉइन. मीन्स इन शॉर्ट कि अगर कोई एक कंट्री पे अटैक करेगा तो कोई दूसरा उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए आएगा. एंड इन दिस वे वन विल अगेन कम एंड यू कैन सी दैट हाउ सो मैनी कंट्रीज इन्वॉल्व इन द वॉर. So now the next, the very important, the reason of the causes of first